Okay, so as we enter the front door on Saturday, November 6th, 2021, we see what Sal did, the carpenter. All right, we'll go back, we'll go down the basement later, but it's all cleaned out as you can see from up here. Now we go in the front door to where the kitchen is. The old kitchen is over here, and nothing much has been done on that wall, but as you can see here, you'll notice that the refrigerator, stove, and whatever junk was over here has been ripped out. And that's gone. And this is what we have of the kitchen. And then as we go towards the great room, I believe we're going to call it, and we come to this here, we'll see everything's cleaned out. We got to check out the fireplace. Some of the doors have been taken off. We come around, we'll notice that the cabinets that were over here in the corner have been taken out. And then the enclosed porch, which has been such a disaster. We opened the door and we can see the ceiling has been ripped out. The carpet, the floor is ripped up. What was there, that cabinet thing, whatever it was, on the wall has been ripped off. And the return over there we'll go to with the ceiling. You can see what it is. That's open all the way to upstairs. We took it right on down. You can see it from upstairs. And then here we are in the enclosed porch again, with the windows coming around and around to that door, to that nook or cranny, whatever we call it over here. The floor appears to be concrete, so I don't know what the story is there, what we're going to do. And then there's the window over here that leads to the kitchen. And then we go back out to the great room, which will be accessible through an archway from the kitchen. And then we still have that door there. Of course, that'll be closed up into that one bedroom. And then we go towards the living room, the staircase going up. This wall will come out. The staircase will be removed. The staircase will be going in this area here. These cabinets all coming out. You'll have the stairs going up to the upstairs here, and you'll have the stairs going down below them. And this staircase will come right on out, along with this one wall right here, which will come out. So we'll be left with this one wall over here. We'll be left, this cabinet, cupboard, whatever you want to call it, will be the staircase, part of the staircase. And we're now in the living room. This wall will remain. Right now it's a wall to the stairs, or the stairs I should say are on the other side. There's hardwood floor down here for all it's worth, because I don't know what's going to happen, what we're doing exactly. Everything's been ripped off the floor. There's the hardwood. We go up, and this is the entrance into the bedroom. What will be the master bedroom suite, which is now the two small bedrooms and the bath. And we will come in. Everything in here will be getting ripped out. All of these walls that we're looking at, the doorways, everything will be getting ripped out. All of this stuff here, the closets, and Sal will be starting on this stuff on Wednesday. All this will come out. And this bedroom here will be getting bumped out along with the whole wall. That wall will be getting bumped out 6 feet, making this, what would it be? About 18 feet in width. The bathroom comes out, completely out. All of these walls come out. And then this bedroom this closet, this bedroom here. The walls get ripped out. This wall, that's the outer wall that gets bumped out 6 feet. And then this door, for some reason that they had put in, leading into the great room, of course will be closed up. That'll be one end of the bedroom. These closets come out. And I believe that's about it. Downstairs anyway. And that's the downstairs.